everyone, this is Nancy from Vicky Company. Today I'm very glad to have this opportunity to show you the environment of our factory and our whole strip production process. And here, before we start the production line, we will check the quality with our raw material suppliers in advance. Once we confirm all the raw material, we will start the production line, and first, we need to install some small components for the power bank. Here you can take a look. And then we will assemble the battery of the power bank, also the PCB boards inside. After the PCB board has installed here, and it will be tested by our inspectors to test it can charge or not about the connectors. And here is our installation line. All the accessories will be installed inside. After the whole production process, finally the finished products came out, and we are going to test these products. And here is our finished products test. Our quality control team will, according to our product's function, to test the function individually to test the connectors can charge or not. According to the requirement from our customers, we will print the corresponding logo on the products. And after the whole strip testing process, all the raw material function tests, we will arrange the packaging. Here is our whole production process of our power banks today. Thanks for your watching.